Hello everyone. In this video, we will see what is site-to-site VPN. So basically, the site-to-site VPN, this is the basic architecture for the site-to-site VPN. So, so here we are having the Amazon Web Services. Here we having the on-premises network. So via the VPC, usually we will transmit our data. So it consists of a subnet, VPC, resources, availability zones, everything it having. So coming to the site VPN, so it means we are transmitting our on-premises data, or we are communicating our on-premises data via this secured connection, that is the VPN connection. So the main components for this, we need to create a virtual private gateway in the Amazon Web Services. In AWS, we need to create this resource, and we should have the customer gateway IP. It can be like a router. So you need to give the router IP. You need to configure this router IP with the virtual private gateway. Via this, we can establish the VPN connection. So our private subnet, we having the EC2 service, and on-premises network we are having our service. Both will communicate via this. It can be communicate via VPN connection, and the setup can be like this. So this in this setup, you can see here we having the two tunnels. In these two tunnels, it is in the AWS side. So it consists of two tunnels. It connected with the VPN connection. Only the primary tunnel will work. In case of the primary tunnel goes down, the secondary tunnel will goes up. So like this, site to site VPN work. If you like the video, give the like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.